Using the API challenges at apichallenges.herokuapp.com, I'm going to complete the last authentication challenge that's shown here, which is to issue a POST request on the secret/token endpoint with the correct username and password, and then that will create a secret token that I can use in the authorization challenges. So I'm going to use the request that I set up for the previous challenge because that was POST to the secret token endpoint, but that was sending the incorrect admin password. So all I have to do, leaving the X-Challenger header as it is, you POST to the correct endpoint. I'll change the basic authorization header so that this is using the password admin password. And if I send that request, we should see that I'm now created the secret token, and the secret token will be there in the headers. So now this XAuth token is what I'll use in the requests when I do the authorization challenges. And if I just refresh the GUI here, you should see that that challenge is now completed. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.